Okay guys, we're checking out the AC blower or the heater blower or the blower on this car because it tends to make some interesting noises. So go ahead, let's crank up that blower. Yeah, can you hear it? That is probably not the way it's supposed to sound, so we're going to try to take it apart and go take a look and see why it's making that noise. So, alright, let's shut it off. Well, for on this 04 Rainer, or it's the same as Trailblazer, you know, the GMC Acadia, they're all the same, pretty much. Looks like the blower motors should be somewhere underneath this passenger footwell. So we're going to remove this lower panel to see if we can access it a little more or take a look at it. Looks like it's held in by these little, maybe 8 mils over on two sides, and then we'll try to pop it down, okay? Let's go from there. Alright, so the blower motor is right there, and it access through the glove box. Just push the retaining clip up to release the glove box down, and there she is. So what we need to do is we need to actually get the little screws here to remove it and unclip it from the motor. And so let's try to do that, because it looks like there's not too much metal here for my light to magnetize on. That stinks. But this clip here is probably, I don't know if you can see it, very not good for lighting in here. Okay, but that is the pull, and once you pull that safety out, the orange clip, and then you should be able to squeeze that clip down. Let's see if I can reach it, and then there should be a lower clip for it once I get that. So let me get a little prying tool or pick tool, and we'll try to get into that. Alright guys, I took the lower panel off. You don't have to really, but it just made it easier. I took the glove box off too for filming, so it's not in the way. And there's 3 bolts, and they're basically, I think 5.5, but I didn't have 5.5, so I'm using a, what am I using? I'm using a 7/32, and it fits fine. So we're gonna just drop the 3 bolts right here. My hand's in the way. I'm dropping the last one that's in the front so I can see. And then the motor should come right out. There we go. This is the last bolt right here. And we're going to take a look at the motor. We're going to test it out and see if there's anything in the cage or anything funny somewhere else. So here it comes, and yeah, it's got some stuff there, but there's, oh man, look at that. Oh yeah, you see that? There's leaves in there. That's never good for a blower. So we're going to get that disconnected here, and we're going to get tested, okay? And then we'll get to the other part, okay? So give us a little bit. All right, guys, took out the blower, and that's what we came out of it. So I think that was probably creating some unbalance in position. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean out the passageway. We're going to clean out the hole in there, and we're going to reassemble it and see if the noise will go away, okay? Because I think the blower is probably okay. Alright guys, I've reinstalled the blower. I've cleaned out everything. The blower and the motor seems fine, so we're going to see if the debris was what was causing all that noise. So here we go. We're going to do a test firing of the blower right now. Let's start the car, and we're going to raise the blower motor. Oh, I believe that was the problem, right? That sounds good. So I think I'm going to reassemble everything, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for being a part of another video. Appreciate that you're following me, and have a wonderful day. Take care now. Bye.